Okay, here we have a 2016 Infiniti QX80. It's a 5.6 liter V8 engine. It's automatic 7-speed. This is a black exterior. Top of the line Infiniti. This is 20-inch wheels and rims. Beautiful tint job. This does have side steps for your getting up in the vehicle. It has roof racks for whatever you need to carry. And this is a third row vehicle, of course, in which the seats do fold up for extra storage. Automatic liftgate. And the interior is a beautiful cream interior. And this is fully equipped with backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation. There's a beautiful sunroof as well. Interior is in excellent shape. This comes equipped with rear entertainment system in the headrest there. This has 13 speakers for your listening pleasure, and your third row in the back.